yourself now. You should kill yourself now. And you're looking for nothing. And you some zero purpose. Kill yourself now. You should kill yourself now. And you're looking for nothing. You should kill yourself now.
Fuck you! You son of a bitch!
No, don't pull. No. Damn.
You are a worthless bitch ass nigga.
How can I laugh at this? There's no
Skin baby's so hot. Ugh, my nuts.
Tennessee! Oklahoma! Arkansas! Minnesota!
Fucking pronouns!
Mods, crush his skull, thank you.
Mr. Beast! You stupid nigga!
After that, I've got another Jilly Cooper. How do you get on without Udara's wins then? Really, it's really good.
Shut your fucking mouth!
No problem, Charlie.
Shut the fuck up, you cunt! Shut it!
House, we need to cure this patient. Did you try the medicine drug? Oh, I did try the medicine drug. Only stupid people try the medicine drug. You are stupid. I tried the stupid drug. You are a black man. This vexes me. I have blood dripping down my nose that is dripping. That's bad. I also was bitten by a mouse due to my poor hygiene. You need hygiene drug. Also, I have not spoken in a while. No, hygiene drug will kill the patient. He needs mouse bites to live. I forbid this. Don't care. More mouse bites! I feel better. No more nose blood. Thank you, doctor. I am very smart. I too am in this episode.